Hey friends, welcome back to Daily Sews and Stuff and to this month's Daily Quick Tip. I am going to show you how to maximize the space on your projector and go full screen without losing the correctly calibrated zoom percentage. And you can find these in written form on the Projectors for Sewing group, where Sasha Sewist has given you some great tips for this. She has also created this calibration tool right here that we are using, and she has some other really great things there that you definitely need to check out. In order to show you, I'm using my Windows computer, and all of these will be somewhat specific instructions to Windows. However, you will be able to find the same thing on your Mac computer, and there are instructions that are more specific to Mac at that resource I just said, the Projectors for Sewing group. Alright, so I'm messing around with my calibration and getting everything all right, and I've discovered that I need 42.6% as my zoom percentage, as an example. So here we are. I've got it. I have it just how I want it. This is going to be perfect. All right, I want to take advantage of my whole screen. So I hit Control L. Oh no. Now I don't actually have it as 1-inch squares being 1 inch. It's totally ruined my calibration. What do? It's an easy fix. No need to worry. You hit Escape to get out of full screen mode. You go Edit, Preferences. Right here, you click on the full screen categories and you click off, uncheck the fill screen with one page at a time. Click OK. And now we're back over here. Let's hit Control L again. Hey, problem solved. I'm still at the same zoom percentage I was at before. I can drag it around so I can see everywhere I need to, but I have totally solved my problem. This is exactly what I needed, and this was a super quick, easy tip. Thanks for watching. Join me as I do plenty of other projector and sewing and other stuff videos by subscribing and by watching the videos that will show up here about right now and the playlists too. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.
Thanks for watching my videos. Like, subscribe, and comment.